Hello! Welcome to a tutorial video for the web version of the strike and dip tool. Today I will be showing how to take strike and dip measurements. To access the program, enter the key code that has been provided by your instructor. Then click the Start button below. The first step is to move to the slope that you would like to measure. To do this, open the Tour Guide tab and click the Next Tour Stop button. This will teleport you to the location of the next field station for you to measure. Next, position the camera and the compass tool along the strike of the slope you would like to measure. The camera angle can be changed using the right mouse button. The camera can be moved using a combination of arrow keys or the WASD keys. The compass can be positioned using the compass control panel. Strike measurements can be saved by clicking the Save Strike button. Next, position the compass tool along the dip of the slope. Dip measurements can be saved by clicking the Save Dip button. Once strike and dip measurements have been saved, the Draw Data button will appear. Clicking the Draw Data button will display arrows along the saved strike and dip measurements. The saved strike and dip measurement data for each field station in this map can be viewed in the data window.